Student, today we will discuss DC to DC converter. DC to DC converter is also known as a chopper. This is two type: DC link chopper. It is shown in this figure, in which we use the only DC link, convert the fixed DC supply into variable DC voltage, and another is the AC link chopper, in which we convert fixed DC voltage into AC, and AC voltage is feed to transformer to obtain the desired level, and then again we convert the AC voltage into DC. So it is called AC link chopper. A chopper is a static device which is used to obtain variable DC voltage from constant DC voltage source. It offers greater efficiency, fast response, lower maintenance, smaller size and smooth control. Widely used in trolley car, battery operated vehicle, traction motor control of large number of DC motor. Also used in regenerative braking of DC motor to return back to supply, and also as DC voltage regulator. Output voltage in chopper circuit is controlled using two method. First is constant frequency control या pulse width modulation control. Second is a variable frequency control, also known as frequency modulation scheme. In pulse width modulation, the pulse width T on of output waveform is varied, keeping chopping frequency F constant and chopping period T constant. Therefore, output voltage is varied by varying T on time. Figure shows the output voltage waveform for different on time in later slide. Variable frequency control. In this method of control, chopping frequency F is varied, keeping either T on and T off constant. This method is also known as the frequency modulation. In frequency modulation, to obtain the full output voltage, range of frequency has to be varied over the wide range. So many problem is created in this method, like harmonic electromagnetic interference and large value of T off due to large value of T of load current maybe become discontinuous. This is a waveform which shows the first scheme, pulse width modulation scheme, in which T is constant. We increase the T on time. This scheme shows the frequency modulation scheme, in which we reduce the time and increase the frequency by keeping T on constant and reducing T of time. Basic DC to DC converter are four type: buck converter, also known as step down chopper; boost converter, step up chopper; buck boost converter, step up step down chopper; and cuck converter. Buck converter waveform circuit is shown for buck converter. In circuit consists of fixed DC voltage, switch, Freewheeling diode, inductor, capacitor, and capacitor is used to maintain output voltage and load voltage constant. Second circuit show when switch is closed. Any fast acting switch which turn on off is fast is used in chopper circuit, because fast turn on off required in chopper circuit. Switch may be any MOSFET switch, IGBT switch, etc. When switch is closed, current flow through the VSCH load and inductor and load. When switch is open, Freewheeling diode is current flow through the Freewheeling diode. And during T on time, load voltage equals to source voltage, and during T off time, because load is short circuited with the help of load is short circuited by FD, so output voltage is 0. So in case of buck converter, we obtain output voltage only T on time. So it is defined by T on divided by T on plus T of Vs, या alpha Vs. Alpha is always less than 1. It is defined as a duty cycle. So always output voltage is always less than the fixed DC supply voltage. So it is known as a step down chopper. Boost converter, it is step up chopper. Circuit and waveform are shown. When switch is closed, in case of boost converter, we use inductor at input terminal. When switch is closed, current flow through the Vs induct L and switch. So inductor voltage VL is equal to Vs. When switch is open, current flow through the Vs L diode and load. And during T on time, in waveform we can see, during T on time, current increase from I1 to I2, and during T off it is reduced I2 to I1. When switch is off, inductor voltage is equal to V0 minus Vs. So energy stored in inductor during T on time is defined as Vs I1 plus I2 divided by 2 T on, and energy released during the T off time is defined by V0 minus Vs I1 plus I2 divided by 2 T off, because during T off time voltage across the inductor is V0 minus Vs. Consider the system is lossless. Two energies are equal, energy stored equal to energy released. Then so V0 is equal to Vs 1 upon 1 minus alpha. Alpha is always less than 1, so V0 always greater than Vs. Even when alpha is equal to 1, V0 is equal to infinity. So chopper turn on and turn off, so that alpha is varied and required step up average output voltage more than the source voltage is obtained in this circuit. This is a basic waveform circuit of buck boost converter, step up or step down chopper. It is also consist of fixed DC source Vs, fast acting switch CH, inductor L, diode D, and capacitor C to obtain the maintain the load voltage constant and load. During T on time, current increase I1 to I2, and during T off time, current reduce from I2 to I1. And diode is forward biased by inductor during T off time. So energy stored during the T on time is equal to Vs I1 plus I2 divided by 2 T on, and energy released during T off time is equal to V0 I1 plus I2 divided by 2 T off. Consider the system lossless. So energy balance equation, W in is equal to W off. So we obtain V0 is equal to Vs alpha upon 1 minus alpha. When alpha greater than 0, less than 0.5, work as a step down chopper, and when alpha greater than 0.5 less than 1, circuit work as a step up chopper या boost converter. Chopper is used in many industrial application: trolley, buses, battery operated vehicle, battery charging. Smooth control on output voltage, high efficiency, fast response because we use the fast acting switches in this circuit. Regeneration. It is used to provide efficient control on DC motor operation. Also, it is used for long life and less maintenance due to the absence of moving part. Thanks.